All right, so I left the house at 10 a.m. to go on a little ammo uh, voyage, and I'm coming to Bass Pro, if you can see in the back. But I left at 10, and now it's 11:50. There was an accident on the highway, so I spent like an hour and a half plus on the highway. So I'm going to see if I can get in here, find some ammo, which I highly doubt. But you know me, with my ammo scores, I'm trying to see if I can get lucky on this Saturday morning. But then again, everyone is out here and about and looking for ammo. So the fact that I got a slow start might hurt me in the long run. So let me go ahead and put on this face mask, do what I need to do, and I'm going to take you with me. It's weird because every time I stop or pause the video, my phone would cut off, so then I would have to upload these videos separately. But you're gonna get in here. Sorry, I gotta get my wallet. Can't go anywhere without my wallet. And we're gonna see if we can score. All right. Oh, now my glasses or shades are fogging up. All right. You guys can't see, but I'm gonna check out some of these prices too, I wonder if they have some decent prices. Alright, let me take off my shades because I can barely see. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but there you go. Yep, no problem. Try my best. I'm pretty tall, so I have to hold my camera high. There you go. Oh man, lady in the front. Give me a second. Cool. Skip by that. Alrighty, town. Here we go. Nothing really to see. I do need to go fishing at some point. Almost there. Alrighty. I saw some guy with ammo. Think it's 9mm. Oh! Little kids running around. Alright, here we go.
No, thank you. I bought a.
You get the cut, yeah. All right, what about the
Excuse me.
Well, gauge shotgun.
No, that's fine. So it's looking like nothing. I don't think there's any ammo. I mean, there are people standing around. But I think they're looking for shotgun ammo. It's like no 9mm. Well, there's that. That's a bust. On to the next store. Well, I'm supposed to be on to the next gun store, but let's stop and grab me some lunch, Play. See what they have, I used to love Chipotle. I had a Chipotle gift card for Christmas, and I refilled it for like half a year. Oh no. We go again. Cash only. Am I the only one who doesn't carry cash? I think I might be the only one who doesn't carry cash. So, I need to find an ATM and there isn't one around here, so I guess no Chipotle for me. On to the next. Oh my God, I'm back again. Is that Backstreet Boys or NSYNC? I can't remember. All right, so remember I couldn't get anything to eat because I didn't have any cash. Well, sorry, trying to lock my car door. Can't find my key. I decided to put lunch on hold and go visit the gun store / range. I'm not shooting today, but I'm gonna see what this store has. And I come here frequently though, so see what they're up to. Say hi to some folks. I'm looking over here, but the camera's over here. All right, I think I got it now. I almost want to spend money just because it's the holidays, but I don't have any money. Okay, I'm here. Some of you may notice where I'm at. Some of you may not. Let's check out the ammo, right? Because what are firearms without ammo? Okay. Let's see. Well, they have plenty of it. Little 22. You know what? Do I need buckshot? I do. I don't shoot shotgun a lot, but that's why I have like, I don't know, 100 rounds, 200 rounds of ammo, and it only lasted me 2 years because I never shoot it. All right, what else do we have? I just bought some Arms Core 22 a few months ago. I haven't used it yet, but Arms Core 124 grain for 9mm, it is my all-time favorite ammo when I can find it. This seems about the going price, $35.99 for ammo. Pretty much anywhere you go as far as 9mm is concerned. I'm mainly focused on 9mm, so if you guys are asking about anything else, it's either 9mm or 223-556. CCI. I love CCI. What else? That's pretty much all the ammo. 223 is down here somewhere. Okay. All right, let's see what else they have for firearms. You guys know that they're hard to find. A few Berettas. You guys know I still haven't shot a Beretta. I still have not shot one. But that will be changing soon. And how you doing? Good. I'm doing well, thank you, thank you. And I don't shoot revolvers much. What'd you say?
Anything you want to play with?
I actually came back to play with that Wilson, but the guy bought it, so.
Yeah. That did go. That was low.
Well, yeah, I have a Shadow too, though, so it doesn't. I do.
Oh, you,
Yeah, I have the Target too.
oh, you do? Oh.
Yeah, I bought it from here.
Really?
Yeah. Who was it? Was it Mike and Tyler sold it to me?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Is Mike here?
Yeah.
I don't want him or anything. I was just wondering. No. What else could I play with down here? Let me guys here.
We got some USB compacts and
Some what?
some USB compacts. Well, we got one left, but if you're into an HK, it'll.
I like HKs. HKs doesn't like me though, you know?
Oh.
They're the price range. Which ones?
You like 45?
Oh, the
I like 45s, but
Show
yeah.
that HK.
Yeah.
I would buy that.
All right, let's see what he got.
OD green.
Ooh, OD green.
Yeah.
Show this to the camera. Look at this, guys.
There you
Oh, I'm like. Ooh, that's nice.
go. Yeah.
I don't know if I could.
Just got that last night.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It's pre-owned?
Yep. But he put all of like 2 boxes of ammo through it.
How much is this?
Let me check.
Hold on, guys. I gotta prop you up here. You're next to the box, but I'm right here. How much is it? 250? Huh? Oh, 850. I'm like 250.
Oh, it was 250.
I'm like, what?
Because you can identify your target. See, nice, huh? I know what
Yeah,
you
I like, you know, I like nice things.
She never trades anything in, so I can't buy anything good.
No, I don't trade.
You leave me with nothing.
Oh man, steak. What is it? Steak appetite on a hot dog budget. Let me see. No, this is nice though.
Yeah, it really is.
You guys like? See the safety thing. You know, I'm left-handed, so
Oh, are you?
yeah, this doesn't.
I think they make an ambi.
I have to like.
I think the version 3 might be ambi.
Yeah. This is a nice. I used to hate any type of OD green FDE.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I used to hate it, but now after a while, you kind of.
Boys on it.
I like HK.
I like that.
HK is awesome.
I do.
I used to have a full-size USB. That was
yeah?
a while ago, yeah.
I like HK, but HK, I don't know.
Yeah.
HK doesn't like me, you know? The pricing. I don't, you know what? I'm not a 40 person.
I'm
Look
not
at
either.
this.
The USB compacts are cool.
You guys like this? This is a 40 cal though. I'm not a fan of 40. I thought it was too snappy. But
Start buying. What are you doing here today? See, that's how we.
they're always
convert the
stocked with
customer, huh?
they're always stocked with Glock.
Look, you want to take a picture?
Oh, I didn't even put you in there. Some people, you know, don't like to be on camera. All right, let's see what's in the used section. That HK was in the used section. Oh. Do they have knife guys on the channel? I know I do my tac pack and they have knives in there, but I'm not sure if there are knife guys on the channel. Alright, used section. I always see revolvers. I don't know much about oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is, what is this? A souped up 1911?
BBC. 2011. Yeah.
2011. Oh, STI right there. See, I don't know much about this brand. Probably because it's out of mine. What is it?
It's very
And
cool.
This is where you put your thumb if you're right-handed, right? You put your thumb
Yeah, right up there.
somewhere.
I think it's reversible, maybe. No, this one's not. But yeah.
Oh yeah,
it's
see?
kinda
There you
really
go.
high thumb grip. These things are fun though.
I heard. Hold on, let me prop you guys up.
I feel how great it is on this thing.
Oh my god. Dude, super smooth.
You can swap the handle. Pull it up the
Okay.
side. Yep.
Oh. Oh, look at that.
Isn't that great?
Look at God. Oh. Look at God. Look at that. Oh,
Right.
oh man. This is a lot going on though. I think I would be distracted. This is a lot. Look at that muzzle brake.
I'll be right back.
Yep, no problem. This is a lot. Alright, let me show you the trigger. Can I show you the trigger?
If you found something you really like, don't wait.
Ooh. Reset. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Alright, enough of that. But it's a lot going on. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. It's a lot. Ooh, I don't even know how to. I don't know how you competition guys do it. Let's see what else is in here. This is their used section. Oh, we have a few options. Thank you. Alright. Let me see who's in the range. The range is always fun. Let me see. Yeah, it looks kind of packed here today. Saturday. Not surprised. Yeah. Okay. Alright, well, I wasn't convinced on buying anything today. So, even if I wanted to, I can't. Alright. Oh, let me see what's on the wall. Let me show you guys. Alright, so this is important. Pay attention to this. For all of you guys who try to ask me, oh, Liv, what is that foregrip on the vertical foregrip on your firearm? You can't have that on a pistol. I'm in Connecticut. Okay? That is the law here. We have to have that foregrip up there. Barrel has to be over 12 inches long, has to have a brace, and I believe over 26 inches. So, I think with the inches, right? Is that Tyler?
Yes.
Tyler, is it over 26 inches, right? Overall length?
So overall length has to be longer than 26 inches.
Longer than 26 inches. So that's why you see that. So I know you guys have a lot of questions like, oh, you can't have that up there. Yes, we can. We must have it if we live in Connecticut. All right, moving on. Let me check out their long guns. Oh, rifles. Oh, sorry. Okay, cool beans. All right, guys. So yeah, if you come to Connecticut and you wonder why I have others in my videos, that's what that is. Completely legal to own. And since we can have lowers now, do you guys know we couldn't have lowers? We couldn't buy a lower like you guys could in other states. And as of February this year, we were able to do so. So I have plenty of lowers. 1911s. Alrighty. What brand is this? Tices? I don't know how to pronounce that. I've never seen that brand before, but 1911s, I guess they're worth trying out. Do you know I've never shot a high point? I don't think I've ever held one. Today could be today, but I won't take up their time so I can just simply hold a high point. But that's what it looks like. Never held it. Heard great things about it. Alright guys, that's it. That's all I have. I don't know what else to show you guys, you know? They have some parts and accessories here, but nothing that you're probably interested in. And that's it. Oh, if you wonder, I'm at Grayson's and what do you call it? Orange. Okay. All right, that's it. That's all I got. Now I'm going to grab something to eat. Maybe I'll bring you along, maybe not.